Alright guys, welcome. Today we have a question from jamb 1983, question 15, where we are asked to simplify x minus 7 divided by x squared minus 9 times x squared minus 3x divided by x squared minus 49. Now, to solve this question, we quickly write solution. Now we'll copy out our expression again. We have x minus 7 divided by x squared minus 9 times x squared minus 3x divided by x squared minus 49. Now we quickly know that our denominators on both sides of the fractions are difference of two squares terms. That is, both denominators involve situations where we have something like this, where we have x squared minus y squared, and this is equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close. Now, having this at the back of our mind, we get back to our expression and we write equal to x minus 7 divided by x squared. 9 becomes 3 squared times we have x squared minus 3x divided by x squared minus 49 becomes 7 squared. Now we proceed further. We have x minus 7 divided by, we have x squared minus 3 squared at our denominator. I'm learning from the fact that it's a difference of two square terms. We end up having a bracket open x minus 3 bracket close bracket open x plus 3 bracket close. Now times, from our numerator here we factor out x, we end up having x bracket open x minus 3 bracket close. Now at our denominator we have x squared minus 7 squared, and this being a difference of two square terms, we end up having bracket open x minus 7 bracket close bracket open x plus 7 bracket close. Now we forge ahead to cancel out similar terms. For example, we have x minus 7 here, it cancels out, x minus 7 cancels out. Now we have x minus 3 up here at our numerator, and we have x minus 3 also at our denominator. So x minus 3 cancels out x minus 3. We're left with x at our numerator, while at our denominator we have a bracket open x plus 3 bracket close bracket open x plus 7 bracket close. Now this itself is our answer to this particular question. Thank you.